Now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
You know, it's been looking dry out there for a while, and hopefully your yard isn't looking like this. This is extremely dry. You can see all the cracks in the ground out there. So hopefully we don't get to that situation. We've kind of shifted weather patterns from wet in early September to dry now. And the latest drought monitor coming out today, the drought kind of creeping back in. Last week, if you checked in, nearly all the valley was at least dry. We did have some areas of Hidalgo County not too dry, but Western Starr County was already in moderate drought. Now more areas are creeping into moderate drought in all the valleys, at least on the abnormally dry scale. So you don't want to creep higher on this scale where it gets worse and worse and drier. But with dry weather expected for a while, things could kind of go that way. In fact, if you look at the rain, which has really not been falling since September 26th, when we kind of shifted into this dry pattern. Harlingen, only 0.05 of an inch. Brownsville, only 1/10 of an inch rain since then. McAllen did have a thunderstorm one morning in October and had some heavier rain outside of town, but even then, all these numbers are below normal since September 26th and look to be that way for a while. So now let's take you to the other map. I want to show you the rainfall forecast. This is using the European model, and this is starting on Friday night. We might have, usually the computer kind of overdoes it a little bit here, you might have a sprinkle or shower in spots on Friday, but even these amounts might be a bit on the high side. So I would think that you're probably going to be seeing almost no rain through Friday. Maybe a little quick sprinkle, even on Saturday, almost nothing out there. Notice by kind of Sunday night into Monday morning, the computer tries to add up maybe an actual real shower. It does show a few areas of Cameron County maybe getting 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain or so. Even that might be aiming high, but that's probably our best chance to see more than a sprinkle. Again, kind of overnight Sunday into Monday with a cold front coming in. You can see on future track, it's not this front really that's coming our way, but ahead of this front, warm air is still building up ahead of it. So this afternoon, we are looking kind of warm and mostly sunny. By the time we get to the day on Friday, the front is still to the north. You may see some low clouds and fog initially on Friday morning, but I think Friday will turn out pretty warm and humid again. Very small rain chances. There might be a little sprinkle or two mainly in the morning, but notice how most of Texas continues to be dry on Friday. As we go into Saturday coming up, notice the time here goes ahead to Saturday. Still, maybe a sprinkle somewhere nearby, but willing to bet it's going to be pretty dry here on Saturday as well. The front that actually tries to cool us off is entering North Texas on Saturday evening. That front is doing here late Sunday night and Monday. Notice even along the front here, there's not a lot of rain, so that's why we don't have high hopes for much rain, but again, kind of Sunday night into Monday as that front passes, rain chances may go up a little bit. But highs today still in the 80s across the valley, still pretty warm. Could get a little hotter this weekend. Ahead of that cold front, we may see a few more areas get into the 90s this weekend, maybe close to some record highs. The next cold front, again, due on Monday. And with that front, rain chances, like I showed you, come up a little bit, but rainfall amounts, if there are any, not looking all that great. And this afternoon, if you are outdoors, you can enjoy the warm weather if you like it. It is warm and mostly sunny out there with the light winds from the east and southeast, but kind of just a warm, mostly sunny, mostly clear afternoon and evening coming. Notice as we get into the evening hours, we still stay clear, and it could be another setup for some fog tonight. There was some thick fog early this morning. Might see a repeat again tonight because we still have the same ingredients of mainly clear skies in the evening, light winds or almost calm winds late tonight in some areas, and then the humidity is high, especially for this time of year. And you get these longer nights where you get more nighttime hours. It gives the atmosphere more of a chance to cool it down and kind of get that fog to build up. So again, you may see some fog tomorrow morning, especially as you get toward about 5, 6, 7 in the morning and near sunrise through about 8 or 9 in the morning in spots. Future track kind of shows this. You notice how we're sunny this afternoon, partly to mostly sunny, and highs in the 80s. As we go into tonight, you notice by 11 p.m. we're still pretty clear, but then once the atmosphere cools down more, you get some patches of low clouds form. Again, there might be a sprinkle Friday morning if you do get some lower clouds forming, but really it's just going to be another, I think, kind of partly sunny afternoon, a very small shower chance on Friday. And again, we are looking for mostly dry and kind of hot weather for the weekend for this time of year. So today, back up around 88, mostly sunny this afternoon, very light winds from the southeast, 5 or 10 miles per hour, and dry weather around. By tonight, remember, lows in the upper 60s, but there could be some fog and clouds late tonight with very light winds. And then in the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, the weekend heating up a bit more. Highs 88 on Friday, but 91 on Saturday, still 89 on Sunday. Some areas could be around 90 degrees or so. Could be a little breezier over the weekend. That should kick out the morning fog. The cold front comes in late Sunday night and Monday morning. Notice how we finally cool temperatures. Highs in the low to mid 70s on Monday. And again, rain chances come up 20, 30, 40% at the most on Monday, but very light showers around at best. Behind it, though, some very nice days if you like low humidity and sunshine. Tuesday, Wednesday, highs near 80, lows into 50s. It does feel much cooler and more November-like next week, but not cold air coming back. Kind of just, you know, nice fall weather for a while. But again, we'll keep tracking rain chances ahead and also look at the tropics later on. Your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon.